Now that we've matched up the vehicle to the trailer and matched up the hitch components, it's time to hook up the trailer to the vehicle. One key point to remember is to not let yourself get distracted. In other words, don't stop until the hookup is complete. Okay, just step a little bit away. We're going to lift the coupler onto the ball. Okay. Now, different trailers have different couplers, but this one has the ball housing that goes over top of the ball, and it has a ball clamp that holds the underside of the ball, and that's what keeps the trailer from bouncing off and leaving your combination as you're driving down the road. Okay, now, this is what I'm talking about, not getting distracted. This hand wheel here that you have to tighten down is what actually pulls the ball clamp up to the underside of the ball. And that's what's holding the trailer to your car. Okay, so it seems like I've got it as tight as it can go. But if you want to jiggle it a little bit, you can actually push back on the trailer. And then you can see, oh, I'm still getting some more turns on this hand wheel. Okay. You want to make sure this is a good connection. So you feel under it, you could look under it, but you would see that the ball clamp is pressed up tight against the hitch ball, and so you're not going to have an accidental disconnect. Okay, after you get a good connection on your coupler and your ball, safety chains are next. First, you're going to crisscross the chains. And then you route them through the holes that are in the hitch. Next, adjust the slack so there's adequate slack for turning, but the chains won't drag. And then, secure the chain hooks. Now that we have the safety chains connected, we want to hook up the lights. These plug together. And then you'll turn on your car and you'll make sure that you have brake lights, running lights, and turn signals. All right, this is what I mean by checking the lights. Okay, give me some running lights. Great. Brake lights. Okay, left turn signal. And right turn signal. Okay, we're ready to go. Another common style of coupler is this latch style. When you're using this style coupler, you need to look at the label on the coupler to see what size it is. This one is a 2-inch. And then look at the hitch ball on your vehicle to make sure it matches up. This is a 2-inch ball. Okay, and then the first thing you need to do is lift the latch and then raise the coupler onto the ball. Flip the latch down. You can then put a pin or a lock through the hole. And then with this trailer, you'll need to raise the tongue jack. And then you install the safety chains and lights the same way we did previously. Before driving and at each fuel stop, walk around the car and trailer, stopping to check hitch and coupler tightness, safety chain attachments, lights, and tire pressures. Can you see out the side view mirrors? Do the brakes operate properly? While driving, if you hear an unusual noise or suspect trouble, stop at a safe place completely off the highway and identify and correct the problem.